online shopping mega store that offers anything you can just imagine. Temu app. Yes, people, I am talking about Temu app. So today in this video, I'll teach you how to create an account on Temu app to explore all of these options. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. So today, without any delay, let's get back into the video. For creating an account on a Temu app, all you have to do is go to your app store or Play Store just like me. Now tap on the search for apps and games option on the top here and then enter here Temu app. You'll get an option of Temu app just like this. Now tap on this install option on the top right corner and then wait until the app gets installed. You can see that the app is getting installed here. So after the app is completely installed, you'll get an open option on the bottom right corner. Tap on it. After tapping in an open option, you will be on the very first section of a Temu app itself. So accept for being welcome to Temu, and just by clicking accept below, you permit them to paste from your clipboard and use all of the information required for this app. So after you've done it, tap on this U option on the bottom center here. As you've done it, you'll get an option of sign in or register. Tap on this sign in or register option here. So you can see that you can either continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or even with Twitter. Or simply you can create an account through your email address or phone number. Today I will create an account with the email address. You can also try the same. So I'm going to tap on this email or phone number and then enter my email address. After just entering my email address, I'm going to tap on continue option. You can also do the same. Now you need to create a password, which must be of minimum 6 characters. So make sure to make a very strong password. After you've created a password, tap on register option below. So now you can even submit your phone number, or you can tap on not now option if you want to make it later. On the top left corner, you can see there is a name along with a profile section here. So you can see that here is a section related to your profile. That's your photo, name, bio, and your gender. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.